Thank you for tuning in to an SEO Content Machine tutorial for how to use the chain task feature. So for today's example, I'm going to create a mass article creator, which will create a bunch of articles, and then I'm going to have the chain task feature automatically run the create WordPress XML task for me. Now, the best way to begin is with the mass article creator. Nothing fancy here, just a standard create task will print out 10 articles for me. Now, if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you see on completion run task. Now, this task here shows everything that I can chain to. Because I haven't created my WordPress XML task, it doesn't appear on this list. So let's fix that. So the first thing I'm going to do is save this task. I'm not going to run it. However, I do want the output location of where these articles will be. Now, the best way to find it is actually to go here, copy article output path. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to copy that path for me. Now I'm going to create a WordPress XML. You could, of course, sub this with a different task, a WordPress post, or even an email post task. So I'm going to go to new WordPress XML. My article location will be this output folder for my mass article creator. XML output location, I'm just going to put on my downloads folder. I'm not going to mess with any of these settings. You notice that I need to select a target blog. So here is one demo blog I created before. Post to this blog. Okay. Now, no text files were found because I haven't run the mass article creator yet. Once again, I'm going to save and not run this task. So what's going to happen is I'm going to go to the mass article creator, go down to on completion run task. Now, if I scroll up, I'll find the WordPress XML generator task in the list. So I can select this task, and when I hit run, what it'll do is it'll run this mass article creator, the task will finish, and it'll automatically kick off the WordPress XML task. So let's give that a run to see how it works. Now the task has scheduled and running. I'll come back to you once this process has completed. So now the task has completed. So my mass article creator has created 10 articles on my hard drive. Now if I go down to that WordPress XML task that I created and I click on the name and look at the log, you can see that it's actually kicked off here at 5:37:42. And if we look at the run finish time, it was 5:37. So at 5:37, the article creator finished, and only a couple seconds later at 5:37:42, the WordPress XML generator was automatically started. It found the 10 articles from the output folder of the mass article creator here, and it's created that XML file which has been written down to my downloads folder. So I have chained the article creator to the WordPress XML tool. If I go back to the article creator and go back to the on completion run task, you can actually chain to a bunch of other different tools. Funny enough, you can actually chain a task to itself, and essentially what it'll do is also make the task run continuously without stopping. You can chain to other tools such as the web scraper, article downloader, and for most of the scraper tools, you can chain those to most other posting tools such as WordPress, XML, and email. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section under this video or send me an email, info@seocontentmachine.com.